Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select accessibility needs on your hotels Pancom app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account, sorry, it's going to show for you invest like this here. Click here on account. When you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on profile, so then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on edit here. When you just click on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just come here to accessibility needs, click here on choose and options. In here can you select options here in this list. So then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. So I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like